Embedded software allows you to build a very special purpose or fixed function device using some of the technology that we already have. So taking the operating system and using it for a single purpose. What we've done here is we've taken our Windows Embedded Standard Edition, used the Media Center UI to create a set-top box that sort of integrates all of the pieces. It has the television, right, from whatever cable operator or network operator wants to build it. But then I can get at movies, I can get at music, pictures. If I go down, if I go in, I can look at pictures. So what I have then is a platform where one of our partners can build a set-top box, right, customize it for the operator, take advantage of some of the software capabilities that are inherent in the platform, optimize it for television for that operator, and then give people the nice experience of having access to the content they're used to in the house, right, whether it's their photos or their videos, internet content, as well as the traditional television content. So starting to blend it together, starting to build on the platform. Now I'm going to leave this one alone. If you think about set-top boxes, we've had set-top boxes in the industry for a very long time. Cable set-top boxes, satellite set-top boxes. Gaming consoles are a type of set-top box. They hook into the television. They allow you to do more with the TV than you have in the past. And Xbox, again, with 23 million Xbox Live subscribers, access to Zune content, Netflix content, it's taking that television and allowing you to do more with it. Now, this is a very interesting device, right? When we think about innovation in the PC space, this is an iView TV, right? And you'll notice that I'm watching TV, and it's, you know, the quality of the TV signal's not too great in here. But if I go into my input, and I can't remember, there we go. And you see the source is TV. Well, if I scroll down, you'll see there's another source here called Media Center. And if I click on that, it's switching me into the Media Center mode for a PC. And what this is a device that's built together both a television as well as a PC infrastructure in the same device. So now when I want to watch TV, I sit and watch TV like I would want to do at home. However, there's a lot of rich content today that people watch that isn't coming over broadcast television. So for example, if I go out to the website here, right, we've got YouTube loaded, you know, and I can pick a video and I can run the video. All right. And so content, okay, we've got a couple of kids on YouTube. It's actually a very funny video. But the notion of having content just over the air in terms of broadcast is no longer really true for what people want to watch. They want to watch the content that's on television, but they also want to watch the content that's on the internet, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Hulu, whether it's other content that's out there, right? The other thing here is that I have the full access to the PC, right? So if I wanted to go in and launch the Media Center, in the same way we saw a Media Center UI there, I have access to the internet content. Here I have access to all of my internet or Windows Media Center content, so the same photos, the same music, the same videos. And if I go into internet TV, right, so beyond YouTube, many of the television broadcasters are taking their programs and making them available on the internet. So now, besides a television guide, I have an internet television guide, and I can watch shows that they put up on the internet. So now, I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. If you think about this television gives me all of the access and all of the rich content that television has to provide. And it's a great TV with a normal remote control. It also provides me all of the rich content from the internet, whether it's YouTube or Hulu or others. It also gives me internet television. It also would give me access to all of those games that we saw on the other devices. It would also allow me to do an HD video conference. So when I think about sort of the convergence of technologies, but rich experiences, this is a device that gives us access to both. All right, so phenomenal innovation, and again, it sort of starts to weave together all of the pieces. I'm going to slide down here for just a second, and two things over on this side. One along the bottom is a set of home servers. You'll notice that across all of these demonstrations, there's photos, there's music, there's video. People are going to want to be able to share that content, back up that content, store that content across the home. So whether it's in the cloud, which is one offering, or whether it's on a server in the home, or both, having that backup for your personal files and your content becomes more and more important. So allowing and working with our partners on building innovative home solutions is one thing we're focused on.